Hi everyone! Welcome back to our part 2 kung bakit hindi nagma-manifest ang manifestations nyo gamit ang Chi Mendoza. Kahit na ginagawa mo na yung scripting, yung visualizing, even affirming, parang ang nangyayari, you feel stuck. Today, pag-uusapan natin is yung mga 2 common reasons nagkakaroon tayo ng blockage. The first one is yung obsession or too attached to the outcome, And then second is divine timing. And additional information na pwede natin ibigay sa inyo para magkaroon tayo ng clarity na maintindihan ano naman itong mga blockages na sinasabi ni Miss Sophie na bakit hindi ako nakakapag-manifest. Pero bago po natin gawin, discuss yung mga yan, please subscribe. Kasi 60% po ng aking viewers dito sa aking channel ay hindi pa po subscribers. And the more subscribers I actually get, mas marami po ako ma-post na mga videos na up-to-date na. Ayan. So please subscribe. Okay, so the first one na pag-usapan natin is you're too attached, Kaya nagiging obsessed na po tayo sa outcome. So sobrang obsessed na nagiging desperate na ikaw na mangyari yung gusto mong mangyari. And the more you actually do this, the more po napupush back yung manifestations nyo, You have to understand po, kahit anong sabihin natin sa universe, hindi nila maiintindihan nito. Ang nararamdaman nila is yung frequency. You cannot fake the universe. Kung ang pakiramdam mo, is yung kailangan mo makuha ito in order for you to feel okay. Like I said, hindi po pwedeng nanggagaling sa lack, Dahil nga wala ito, kaya hindi ako masaya o kaya naman kailangan ko to para mas magiging masaya ako, Ganyan yung mga statement ninyo pagdating sa manifestation. Of course, that's speaking from lack. You're already starting ng wala ka. Kaya mo gusto ito, Hindi po ganun ang manifestation. Ang naiintindihan lang niya is yung wala ka. So, ibibigay niya yung wala ka, Katulad ng mga matagal na sinasabi, Huwag mong sabihin ang don't panic kasi ang naririnig is yung panic. Same goes to sa'yo, The more you say na wala ka, and so on, the more yun ang naririnig at yun ang nare-register. Next naman, pag nag-manifest ka, learn to let go. Huwag mong i-control kung paano gagawin sa'yo ng universe. You have to let go. Okay? Because yung divine is bigger, is much more imaginative than you. So, let go of the control kung paano siya dumating sa buhay mo. Next naman is not understanding the divine time. You cannot push a bamboo tree to bear its fruit in 1 week. That's impossible. There are goals that takes time. Lalong-lalo kung itong mga goals that you're asking for is really life-changing and is really big. And then at the same time, pag hindi pa ito nangyayari, hindi ibig sabihin you're not worthy. It's not a rejection, Sometimes talaga time isn't right. And all you have to do is just wait. Second naman, another in relation to this, pag minsan sa iyong patchy chart, meron tayo nakikita doon sa iyong mga 10 years, annual, mga blockages, na kailangan mong i-identify para alam mo yung right actions na maalis itong mga blockages. Next naman is yung feng shui mo din. Linulit ko lang din, ulitin ko lang ulit. Na sometimes you're in the right time pero in the wrong place. Kumbaga your feng shui na is not aligned to where you are right now. So which is why you do the feng shui. So there's 3 aspects for Chinese metaphysics. Meron po tayong man, earth, and then heaven. The man is your actions. Kung bagay po ba yung ginagawa mo base doon sa gusto mong goals. Next naman is yung earth, dito po pumapasok ang feng shui. And then the chi men now falls under the earth. Ito yung divide. Kumaga stars aligning, Tama yung actions mo, nasa tamang space ka. And at the same time, the stars are aligning kaya mas madaling makapag-manifest. And that's what we are aiming for. Okay? So kailangan po kompleto. Bukod sa actions mo, yung feng shui mo, at saka yung embodiment mo, yung frequency that you actually give to the universe is in alignment to the person that you are aspiring to be. Next po, i-explain ko lang a little bit more yung unhealed anger, unhealed emotions. Ito po yung mga trauma natin. Ayan, yung mga anger na sinusuppress ninyo, hindi nyo nilalabas, Ayan. Dahil po dito sa mga ito, yung mga reason kung bakit kakaroon ka limitation na feeling mo na when you ask for something, you don't deserve it, kesyo-kesyo, kasi nga may mga pains tayo na hindi pa natin napoprocess. And, when it comes to manifestation, feeling is number 1. Without feeling, you cannot manifest. And if you want to manifest, you start first with healing and the rest will follow. Okay? So, yun po kailangan natin tandaan para mas magkaroon tayo ng proper alignment sa ating manifestation. So, In summary, let go of the grip and let the energy unfold, no, through its divine timing. Huwag po nating pilitin. This is the time we actually let go and let the divine do its magic. No, huwag po natin diktahin. Kasi the more po natin dinidikta, the more love po ito lumalayo sa inyo. So if you're curious sa yung timing o kaya if you want to know more, please send me an email for personal reading. And next video, we are going to talk about yung mga daily rituals that you can do to start aligning. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned from this video. Bye!